Hey everyone, how are you doing? So let me ask you this question. Let's say your customer asks you, why should I do business with you? कि आप क्या जवाब देंगे? इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन राइट. सो ज़्यादातर सेल्स वाले लोग नो दे विल टॉक अबाउट क्वालिटी प्राइस में. हम लोग 500 साल से इंडस्ट्री में हैं और हमारा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा है ब्ला 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 एंड ब्ला. You know what? These are all old sales technique and these do not work now. Today I'm gonna teach you how, like in modern sales, how you can answer and how you can take this conversation in a next level, and you can lead the conversation in order to bring more sales. Yeah, let's say your customer asks you or somebody asks you, hey Himanshu, why should I do business with you? So how would I answer? I would be like, well, Mr. Prospect, I'm not sure that you should do business with me or not. It's interesting, right? So customer was not prepared for this answer, right? He was prepared like I will justify my thing, I will just say value, quality, time, service, something like that, right? But it was not the same question this time, same answer this time. So what I will say is, well, Mr. Prospect, I'm not sure why that you should be doing business with me or not until I get some more information. So this is first step, right? First step is, well, I'm not sure you should be doing business with me or not. Second step is, until I know until I have some more information. Third question, right? Third step will be that, well, in order to have more information, may I ask you some questions? When then customers say, all right, let's say he say yes or no, right? So if say no, that means you have not built up the repo or you are not in a position to ask more questions, right? Then this is dead, right? When let's say he says yes, so you are in a better position to ask questions. Now understand this thing. When in the starting, in the beginning, when customers said, hey Manshu, why should I do business with you? That was a altogether different situation where I had like no clue. I was like, what to say, and customer was leading the conversation and he must be driving the conversation in his own way. But by using these three steps or say four steps, I have turned the situation in a manner when I am leading, right? When I am driving the conversation. So now let's follow the all four steps again. Customer says, Himanshu, why should I do business with you? I would be like, well, Mr. Prospect, well, I'm not sure you would be doing business with me or not until I have some more information. Well, in order to have more information, I have to have answers of these questions. May I ask you some questions? Let's say you would say yes. So, how are you managing your current sales? How are you managing your current reporting system? So I would be preparing some questionnaire according to your industry, according to your niche. You would have a set of questionnaire with you, right? So these are four steps, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4, these questionnaires, right? You have a set of questions which you ask. I hope you like it. Like the video or DM me or comment below if you like the video, if you learned something. Yeah, bye bye.